Hi everyone, and welcome back to Tinker Gamer Hacker Maker. And today we're going to cover stream decks. So here on Tinker's Tips, I'm going to actually show you a cheap alternative to using a stream deck, because they are kind of expensive and there are not very many out there. So I thought originally about building one from scratch, but that was a lot more work than I wanted to get into. So I figured out what are some great alternatives, or at least as a cheap alternative. And I think I found something that works. And it costs between $10 and $20, and it can be corded and it can be wireless. So you're gonna kick yourself when you figure this out, or you may know already. So we're gonna start here. Hey, this handy dandy number pad, you know, they're about between 10 and 20 bucks on Amazon or other place. And what's nice about this, I mean, I got this one originally because for work I wanted something with the nice blue clicky keys, and it turned out that, you know, there's some wireless ones as well, and they can go up to 10 meters, so you can actually have an interview, you can have your different cameras, and you can have a change of views. So hey, and just about every software has hotkey assignments. So I'm gonna go ahead and, so right here I'm on the main scene. No, doing some gaming coverage, or maybe we're even just chatting with friends. So you got other people on their streams, my friend the doggo below, and of course any other interview type setting you might want to do. You can always go, hey, I'm gonna be right back. But realistically, this is a fantastic option for replacing a stream deck. And really, you just assign hotkeys 1 through 10 or more. You can actually use all of them. There's 12 key and 22 keypads, and they're hot assignable. You plug it into your USB. I'm probably going to swap this one out for a wireless one because I want to do some more different types of shots, or I have the nice background behind me up. So yeah, but let's go ahead and start setting this up on OBS and on Gamecaster just to kind of show you how easy it really is. And of course, we're going to need that on the next scene. So let's see, we're going to 5. Alright, so here's my desktop. And let me go ahead and make this a little easier to see what's going on here. Alright, so I have OBS open already because I'm actually recording on it. Whoa! Alright, so you're going to go into your OBS settings. And of course already you're going to have a section for hotkeys. Look at everything you can assign in OBS. Now these are my scenes I've set up. As you can see, I set up a couple different scenes: play along, 4-up, you know, be right back. And what I've done is I assigned the scene, the switch to scene, to be a number on the keypad. And that's it. And you can even toggle sources, you can toggle different things. My keypad is a little funny, and I'll show you what it's doing here. I think I just need to get a different model. It's putting it in a num lock as well. You need to hold down the key real quick to set the key, but once it's set, it's fine. And I just switch it out. Now that's an OBS. This is not Streamlabs OBS. This is open source, open broadcaster. And now let's take a look at, don't want to save these changes, Gamecaster. So I'm going to go ahead and get that dizzying screen out. And if you haven't used Gamecaster, it's also free. So here's Gamecaster. And you can set up your scenes, and you can get some themes. And this is free. This is from Split Media Labs. By the way, nothing here, I am not sponsored by any of these things. So this is my honest opinion, straightforward. You know, I'm not gonna, you know, give you any BS on any of this. But when I sat there and I saw that a stream deck was 150 bucks, 200 bucks, and I got a $10 solution here, yeah, I figured I wanted to make a video about it. Alright, so just like in any software, you go into your settings, and look, handy dandy hotkeys. Come down here. See, I get to double the nums, but you know, I can fix that out real quick. Turn my num off. And then I can just keep assigning and then I now have a portable scene switcher. Now the only thing is, of course, these aren't the LED lit screens. Well, these are LED lit, but they're not the OLED screens where it has a picture of what the action is. You do have to kind of remember that, hey, scene 1, or my 1 is my scene 1, my 2 is my scene 2, my 3 is my scene 3, 4 can be an action or anything like that. It really depends on what you want to do. You can enable push to talk, start and stop stream, toggle settings, so all kinds of different things here. So what are your thoughts on this budget, replacement or alternative to a Stream Deck? Now, I know there is probably people who really enjoy their Stream Deck, more power to you, but I don't do enough streaming, or I don't have enough interactions where I really need more than 12 things, and I can probably remember a list of 12 things. So, and especially once you kind of set it. And I also use the sticky note method. I actually have a lot of sticky notes on my desk, and I can always just put a sticky note right on the bottom here that says, hey, 1 is this, 2 is that, 3 is that, and a quick glance will let me go ahead and switch my stream around. So anyways, as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts, and definitely try this out. Do you like using a Stream Deck? Are you good with an alternative? What do you think of this alternative? Go ahead and comment below. Tinker Gamer Hacker Maker, as always, bringing you awesome content, and this has been Tinker's Tips. Take it easy.